For now, the 4 cranes are off work. Most probably they have a break. It's almost 5 o'clock p.m. on Saturday. They have a break. This is a break time because they are getting ready for the next shift. Here are the trains getting prepared, fueled, examined, inspected, checked to see what do they have to do with them, if they need any repair. After they do the preparation for the next shift, the trains are inspected and the real cars are inspected. Here is the inspector. This man's job, I don't know what his job is. There's another inspector behind me who will have a certain things to do from within the scope of fueling and inspecting parts, whatever he has to do. There's another person behind me. These are the 4 cranes that are doing most of the work here in the yard. They are getting ready for the night. This is going to be loaded. All that will be loaded at night. After the break time or the shift to change of shifts, whatever. Here is my trailer.